Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of new black cat pet in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got the new black cat pet from hatching the spooky egg. And I'm going to show you the ability of this black cat pet. And before it guys, I'm going to show you the possibility to get this pet. Okay, you will have 8.5% possibility to get this pet from hatching the spooky egg. And I'm going to show you the ability guys. I'm going to view it. Okay, basically it can make your fruits larger, but you need to have witch's cauldron on your garden. And if you want to get the witch's cauldron, you need to earn the what is that, pumpkin crate. You can get the pumpkin crate, and then you can get this witch's cauldron. You will have possibility or chance to get this witch's cauldron, and you can place the witch's cauldron on your garden, and it will help you to grow your fruit larger with this black cat. So that's how you can use black cat pet on your garden to make your fruit larger. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use the new black cat pet in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.